I am really gonna have to contemplate this crap here, because I'm not gonna just repair things and put my name on it and have this crap out. So the customer's gonna pay me to take this shit out and put it back in properly. This is unacceptable. So instead of just bringing me the truck and the wiring kit and having me put it all in, now he can pay me for extra work and time I didn't want to spend on it. So I guess I'll get started. So I told you I was basically going to start over. I pulled the entire fuse box and wiring out, and I'm going to reinstall it properly. First thing I'm going to do is separate all these wires. I mean, you can't screw one of these up hardly. They're all labeled. So I'm going to pull all the wires off of it and separate them into different circuits that I need. Lights, engine, HVAC, light, rear lights, things like that. Stuff that goes to the dash. So that's the next thing. Let's get that taken care of.